Now that we have seen the algorithm behind linear searching algorithm, let's try to write the Python implementation for it. Okay, now previously we have created all the sorting files inside the sorting folder, right? But now this is since the first searching algorithm, I'm going to create a new folder called searching, and I want to put all the searching related implementations inside that folder. So after searching folder creation, I'm going to create a new file. Let me just name the file as linear searching.py. Okay, so in this we will simply go and add class linear search. In here we will be writing a function def linear searching, and it will basically take an argument a which contains all the values that user has passed. Along with that, we will also take the value that user wants to search in the given array of values. Now what we will simply do, we'll simply write a for loop I in range of length of a. Okay, that means this loop will run from 0th index till length of a minus 1 technically. So we will simply compare each and every value at this ith index. That means a of I, if it is equal to the value that user wants, we will simply return that index itself. Okay, otherwise after executing this for loop completely, at any point if the value that user has passed is not at all available, we need to return something which indicates basically the value is not available. So in my case, I'm returning the value -1. But based on your understanding and your commitment, you can return whatever the value that you want. Okay, so this is the simple implementation for the linear searching algorithm. Okay, now let's try to execute it and validate the results. Let's create an object called ls equal to linear search and ls dot linear search, and the, let's say, the values that I want to pass are 1 minus 12, 30, 23, 45, minus 9, minus 7. Let's assume that these are the values that I want, and the value that I want to search is, let's say, minus 30. Okay, now what I will have to pass, first argument is array and the second argument for the function is value. Okay, now all we have to do is this function will return the index in the end, right? So let's say the index, we are capturing it inside the variable index, and let's simply print index. Okay, now let me simply run this code from the terminal. So this linear searching file is available inside the searching folder. For that, I'm going to run the command as python3 searching linear search.py. Okay, if you see here, the value -30 is available at index 1. Okay, similarly, let's assume that I want to search for the value -7. Okay, now I should get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we've got the 5. And similarly, you can search, even if the array is sorted, even if the array has duplicate values, you can still go ahead and you can still search any value that you want using this linear searching, because it really doesn't matter how the values are being arranged inside the linear searching algorithm. All we do is we will iterate over the array and we will see if the value at that particular index is matching with the value that user has passed. Okay, this is how we implement the linear searching algorithm using Python. Okay.